Hi, Wise Thoughts. Cheers.
Hi, Susan.
Hi, Chris.
Hi, Marcy. You look very calm and peaceful and like blissed out, Susan. Please.
I am.
Don't let us keep you awake. Don't stay up on our account.
I have been a little bit stressed lately, haven't I, Marcy? You know I have, because I call and tell you how stressed I am every day. So I kind of put it out there that I need to de-stress myself and relax and refresh and rewind and re-energize. And I got a phone call from my girlfriend, Tina, and this is just out of the blue. She's like, so when are you coming for a massage? Because she's a massage therapist. And I'm like, oh, friends with benefits.
Is that what they meant by that?
Yeah. She said, how about today? So it worked out great. I ended up going over there to her house, to her studio, where she has her massage room all set up. It's so, you walk in there and just the aroma therapy, then you've got this beautiful music going and all the soft colors, this like seafoam green colors in a room. And it's just walking in there, you start relaxing. Well, what was funny is I had run into, I had breakfast with Daddy this morning too. And I told him that I was going over there. And if you'll recall, Marcy and I got him for Father's Day a gift certificate to get his very first massage. That was on Father's Day.
A massage virgin.
Susan, I hope you drug him with you.
And he... Excuse me?
I said, I hope you drug him with you.
Well, I did. I told him, I said, you have to do this. Basically said, Dad, we've already paid for it. You have to go and do this. You're going to love it, I promise. So I ended up going first, and I had my massage, and it was absolutely like it always is, relaxing and wonderful, and it helped me a lot. It really did help with my stress situation. And who shows up about the time I'm done is Dad. So he looked very apprehensive when he went in, but I'm like, go, you're going to enjoy it. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. So he goes in there, and I didn't want to hang around for an hour and find out what happened. So whenever, I waited for like about an hour and a half to go by, and then I called my girlfriend. I called Tina back, and she goes, I was just picking up the phone to call you. You have ESP. And so I was like, so what happened? Did he like it? She said he started snoring. I think that's a good sign that you are relaxed and enjoying it. If it's that good that you fall asleep. So I bet he's probably thinking to himself, why haven't I done this a long time ago? I lived my whole life and never had a massage.
I think that's so cool.
Yeah.
Good.
So, anyway, it was, Diana was talking about listening to your own intuition and listening to yourself. And it goes the same thing, listening to yourself when you're feeling stressed and feeling just too much tension. You got to listen to your body and do things to help yourself. And that's one of my favorite things that I do to refresh and rejuvenate. Get a nice massage.
I love that. Give Tina her props.
Yes, I will. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.